Hello, my name is Clayton Dalton with Bear Creek AI. Today I'm going to walk you through the CourseCreator product from Bear Creek AI. This will be a part demo and a part instruction video on how to use the product. So in the sake of time, I'm going to show you this course. I've already filled out these fields, and I'll just talk a little bit about this. These fields are all manually filled out. They do take a little bit of time to put in, a couple minutes of thought, but this is going to be really important to the quality of course that we can get out. All right, so Introduction to DevOps is my course title. Course description, introduction course focusing on DevOps principles and methods. Good. Target course duration is just an hour. I only have an hour to teach this lesson. And my target audience is senior software engineering students, right? Teaching this maybe in a university or as a little seminar. I've added 3 learning objectives: understanding basic principles of DevOps, have an understanding of the history of DevOps, and should know how to use DevOps in practical software development. So let's go ahead and create this course. Just click Create Course. Perfect. All right. So now we have a page showing our course details. Again, same things we filled out here, all of the same. And a few buttons that pop out of you are these red buttons: download course and generate topic suggestions. Okay, great. So let's download the course first. Let's just see what it looks like right now. And as we go through this, hopefully get an idea of how to build these courses out, what that looks like. All right. Again, breezing through this Word document here. Really only one page of content, just our title, our course information, our learning objectives. So things that are still to be filled out is our table of contents and our actual course content. And I'll download this a few more times as we go through the learning process to see how this changes. Okay, let's get out of that. So the next phase is either going to be manual topic creation or AI topic generation. So we're going to use our proprietary topic suggestion algorithm to generate some topic suggestions, because I don't have a lot of time. I'm on a time crunch to teach this course, so let's do that. Generate topic suggestions. We'll give it just a second, and by just a second, I do literally mean just a second. Probably takes 5 seconds there. All right, so now we've got, let's see, 5 topics here. Now we've set our number of our duration should be 1. I'm not sure, this should not be here actually. Our duration is 1 hour, so these all should up to an hour. You can see duration there, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. So equally distributed times over these 5 topics. That looks fine to me. Introduction to DevOps and its history. Topic provides an overview. Perfect. We can change this time if we want. We can add it up to 0.3. And we can take it down to 0.2. Right there. Okay. You can see our total suggested duration does change as we edit that. Okay. Looks good. Core principles of DevOps. Perfect topic there. DevOps practices and tools. Excellent. I didn't even think about adding that as a learning objective, but it's very good. Version control, CI/CD pipelines, configuration management, and monitoring. Yep, looks good. In practical software development, this aligns with our learning objective here. DevOps and practical software development. Fantastic. Looks good. So as you can see, it is building these topics based off of our learning objectives. And then challenges and future DevOps. This is always a good one. Talk about kind of future trends in DevOps, right? So it looks good. All right, we can delete any of these. Again, these are editable fields. We can add text. We can remove text as we see fit to, better conform to what the course we want is. But let's apply that topic or apply those topics, and we can see now course topics line up here. 5 topics. Perfect. Let's download the course again. Take a look. Okay. All right, download here. Yep, looks good. Same thing on this page, except for now we have a table of contents partially built out. Introduction to DevOps and its history, core principles of DevOps, DevOps practice and tools. Yep, this is what we built. And then we have a page dedicated to each of these. Okay, but no content within them, just a description on what the topic is. Perfect, good topic. All right, let's get into generating some content for these topics. Now we'll go through all 5 of these, maybe if we have time, but right now let's just focus on one. Topic 1, Introduction to DevOps and its history. So let's click View. And on the left side of your screen, we have some AI tools to actually build out the topic structure. And on the right, we have our Topic Content Assistant. Our Topic Content Assistant is our proprietary language model to assist you in creating topic content, but it doesn't actually create it in the course for you. So we're going to use this side to add things to the course. We're going to use this side to research and refine. All right, so we start over here. We can add new subtopics manually. As we can see, our topic duration, 12 minutes. That's our target. Again, let's use our proprietary subtopic suggestion algorithm to generate some subtopics. Again, just breezing through this in the sake of time. All right, so we've generated several subtopics now, 6 to be exact. Let's take a look. Origins, DevOps, Agile, and Lean influences. Looks good. Perfect. I wouldn't have thought of that. That's excellent to put in. Yep. All right, continuous integration. Perfect. I'm glad we have a separate subtopic for CI versus CD. That's very good. Infrastructure as code. Fantastic. Classic DevOps topic there. Monitoring and logging real-time feedback loops. Containerization, Docker, and Kubernetes. So as you can tell, we're getting really down into the weeds, not the weeds per se, but just the specific details of topics here. Nothing broad like introduction, DevOps, and history. Right? I mean, that's a broad topic, right? But we want to actually say, okay, we're going to teach you about infrastructure as code. That's a very detailed topic. Fantastic. Again, we can adjust our durations for the sake of time. We're not going to do that. We're just going to apply. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, no content, no content, no content. We got to generate that content. Let's go back to the course real quick and just click on that course and download it again one more time. Just trying to give you an idea for how these things are built. All right, so now as we've built out these subtopics, you can see our table of contents changes once again. Now within this topic, we have 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, all the way down. That shows each of these subtopics. Fantastic. And we go down here again, subtopics, but no content available. So now last step, we need to generate that content. So let's get out of that. Let's get back into our topic, open that up. All right, fantastic. Let's generate content there. And we'll talk about it for just a second. Again, DevOps emerged from the need to enhance software delivery efficiency, drawing heavily from Agile and Lean methodologies. That looks fantastic. All right, looks good. I'm not even going to make any changes to that. Let's just save that. Generate content here. All right. And we'll probably make some changes to this just to show you that we can do it. CI, software development practice, word development. Yep, looks good. I don't really need that paragraph on version control because we already have our own section on that, so we'll just take that out. Build automation, that's good. Keep that. All right, now we're going to show our topic content assistant over here in just a second. Let's save that. We've just made a change just by deleting some content. Now let's show another change by adding content. Continuous delivery and deployment, automation pipelines. Looks good. Yep, version control system, communications between pipeline stages is crucial. Yep, looks good. Classic. All right. Let's just say we don't like this. Let's copy it. Let's say sometimes we get issues with not being specific enough. I think this is specific enough, but we'll just ask it for more specificity. This subtopic on this is continuous delivery, more specific and detailed while maintaining roughly the same length. Okay, come down here, paste that. All right, just gonna return a little better maybe. I'm not really taking the time to look at this too detailed, but we can see the differences here. Yep, I do like some of the words that we've added here. In conclusion, yep, looks good. So we're just going to come over here and copy this out, paste it. Fantastic. All right, so this is going to be most of the process. I'm going to go ahead and generate these other topics real quick. Don't even really need to pause the video because it's so quick to do this. So generate content, save. Again, I'm not going to read through these just for the sake of time. They do look good. Yep, using some specific tools over there. Looks good. Save. Generate content. Yep. Containerization, Kubernetes, practical example. Fantastic. All right. So that all looks good. We've saved all that. We can minimize these. We can go back and change previous ones if we'd like. But that looks good. Let's go back to course. And we'll take one more look at downloading this course. Now, ideally, we'll go generate content for the rest of these topics, but let's just look at it with topic 1. Yep, downloaded. Looks good. Fantastic. Zoom in on this. Same thing. Yep, subtopics, topics. All right, but now we actually have content generated in each of these subtopics. All right, so this is how it's laid out. Topics, subtopics. Again, going through our table of contents. And we've generated a couple pages. Usually it's around 6 pages of content. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main pages of top content for topic 1. And so we do that for all 5 main topics. We get around 25, 30 pages of content for an hour course. And we've generated that in, I think we're maybe at 10 minutes now. So anyways, I appreciate your time. I hope this is helpful. Hope you can see how this works. Any questions, just let me know. Any suggestions, please reach out to us as well.